I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to win at every chess game. While a guaranteed win every single time is impossible, mastering key strategies significantly boosts your chances. We'll cover essential opening principles, emphasizing active piece development and central control. Protecting your king early, often by castling, is also crucial for long-term safety. These foundational steps lay the groundwork for a powerful and effective game, setting you up for success from the very first move. As the game progresses into the mid-game, focus shifts to tactical execution and strategic planning. Always be on the lookout for tactical opportunities such as forks, pins, and skewers, which can win material or create decisive advantages. Carefully evaluate the board for material imbalances and positional strengths. Develop a clear plan to exploit your opponent's weaknesses, ensuring your pieces work together harmoniously. Strong coordination can often lead to a winning attack. The endgame often determines the victor, so mastering its techniques is vital. Focus on fundamental king and pawn endgame principles, understanding how to create passed pawns and promote them. Activating your king is paramount. It becomes a powerful attacking and defending piece. Practice common checkmate patterns with a king and queen or a king and rook to ensure you can convert winning positions. Precision in the endgame can turn a slight advantage into a decisive victory. To truly elevate your chess game, continuous improvement is non-negotiable. After each game, take time to analyze your moves, identifying both errors and brilliant plays. Studying games by grandmasters offers invaluable insights into advanced strategies and positional understanding. Dedicate about 15 minutes daily to solving chess puzzles. This significantly sharpens your tactical vision. Finally, regularly playing against opponents who are stronger than you provides the best learning experience, pushing you to adapt and grow.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.